This is called Pearl Bouquet paper pad from our friends at Hunkydory. Now this is really different. It measures 4 inches by 8¼ inches, and there are 96 sheets in this pad. It is gummed at the top, and so you just pull them off. Now let me show you each of the designs. There are 24 of them. They're single-sided. You're going to get 4 of each one. So let me scoot this over and just bring them in. They are exquisite. I think they're just beautiful. So you can see that you get not only the flowers and a frame, but you also get some extra area. So you can trim it down if you want to. I think it's going to be perfect on a scrapbook page. I think it's just beautiful on a card. So you can see lots of colors, all pretty soft, and they do have ribbon. Now if you wanted to, you could put an actual ribbon over that. There we go. And see, as I'm showing you, you can see all the different colors, but all very lovely, pretty subdued. No bright reds. This is about as bright as it gets. Oranges. And then you get even closer looks at them, and I really like that. I think it's very artful. And then there are some that have greetings on them. So be your own kind of beautiful. Now what's nice about this, if you have a short card, you might want to trim it there, or you could trim it there. You've got a piece then to go inside your card. That's going to work nicely. Life's truest happiness is found in the friendships we make along the way. Love you yesterday, love you still, always have, always will. Today is the perfect day to be happy. Happiness blooms from within. So all of these have the greeting in the center, and you can play with however height you want. You are the sunshine that brightens up my day. Now there are 2 sheets, which means there's really going to be 8 sheets of these stripes or borders, however you want to use them. So this is in the oranges to pink, and then or oranges to red, then pink to purple. Then we also have 4 sheets of greetings that you're going to trim out, and then 4 more. So handmade with love can go on the back of your card. Sent with love, these are going to be beautiful on the inside of your card or even on the envelope. So really a very unique combination of artwork and greetings in this one little pad. It's called Pearl Bouquet paper pad from Hunkydory.